So, in a larger cultural perspective, what Jamaica 50 personally means to me, I think of two words. First word is growth. The second word is opportunity. And the reason why I think Jamaica 50 means growth for me is because after independence, that is our chance to us grow to be a world class country and a world class, I guess, people. Because before independence, I think that we were only seen as subjects of Britain and subjects of England. So we weren't growing as a people. We were growing under someone else, but we weren't growing independently by ourselves. So 50 means, yes, 50 years of growth. And then it also means opportunity for me because now we have an opportunity to govern ourselves and grow as a people and really, really, really make a stamp as a country. Because already we're making a stamp as people and as artists, but now it's a chance for us to make a stamp on the world as a country, politically and economically and in all different type of aspects. So opportunity and growth, Jamaica 50, relate that.